Today we're going to be talking about why I dropped out of my graphic design and art direction masters. So I dropped out of my graphic design and art direction masters in my third unit out of 5 with no plan whatsoever. I was miserable, I was burnt out, I was lost in my course, and one day I decided to drop out. So I just wanted to talk about why I dropped out, and if anyone feels in a similar position, this video may help you. So my reason number 1 for dropping out is that I decided to go to university for the wrong reasons. When I finished my undergrad, I didn't know what to do. I tried to get a job and never succeeded. I would always get to the last stage and there would always be someone better than me with more experience, and that's something that I wouldn't be able to improve on without getting a job. So because of this, I decided to apply for a master's and continue my education, especially that I didn't have formal education in design. I was hoping this would help me in my job search and I guess allow me to better understand design in a formal setting. But my main reason for going was because I didn't know what to do, and I was going through the imposter syndrome because I didn't have a degree in design. My reason number 2 was that it wasn't the right course for me. I came from a marketing BA and I found my passion in design, and it felt right to go in graphic design in that direction. But little did I know that I actually didn't learn anything. I wasn't challenged and I expected to actually struggle, which in my opinion would have been 10 times better. Because of this lack of challenge, I just completely switched off. I was negative about the course because it was nothing new, and I actually disagreed with a lot of the teachings coming from a more of a freelance background and a self-taught background. So yeah, I had a lot of disagreements. And I really didn't put in a lot of work in my masters. I wasn't motivated. I started to not turn up, and my passion for design was actually going away because of the masters, because of the teachings. At this point, I decided to start looking for jobs. I totally stopped going in. I came in for the first lesson in my third unit, and I was like completely out of this. It was just not right for me, and I said I really disagree with the teachings and the course. Honestly, it felt like false advertisement for me. I remember reading the course outline before applying. Since day 1 of the uni, I was hoping that the next day would be better, the next unit would be better, but it never got better. It was just a good name and good copywriting. So if you do feel in a similar position, that your course isn't right for you, you don't feel happy, you don't feel motivated about your course, then just know that I'm so happy with the decision that I made. I was depressed because of my course, and honestly it was just not worth the paper, and that's what I was doing it for. The way I think about it now is if a company doesn't want me because of my lack of degree, then they're lost. I wouldn't want to work for a company that values only a piece of paper. Right now, I'm pretty happy with my job as a graphic designer. It allows me to continue my passion and allows me to continue with my YouTube, with my business. So yeah, it was the right decision for me. If I could turn back time, I wouldn't even go to my master's at all. I knew since day 1 it was the wrong thing for me. I was just scared to quit something, as nobody likes to quit something, so yeah. I hope this video helps, and if you are in a similar position debating whether or not to do a master's, I would say maybe try the real world first. Unless you are 100% new in design. Other than that, in my experience, uni didn't really help a lot, as naturally you will learn better when you're actually working in the real world. Okay, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!